Enjoy the view, no matter where your adventure takes you, with an ultra-compact PowerSeeker tabletop telescope. These easy-to-use telescopes come with everything you need for wildlife observations or amateur astronomy, including 2 eyepieces, plus a Barlow lens that doubles the power of each eyepiece. That's 4 total magnifications to choose from. The aluminum tabletop tripod keeps size and weight to a minimum, so you can carry your PowerSeeker on the trail or bring it along on your next camping trip. PowerSeeker tabletop telescopes are available with your choice of 40 or 50mm objective lenses. Both provide enough light gathering ability to view craters on the Moon and the moons of Jupiter. Attach the included magnifying eyepiece holder, and your PowerSeeker provides correctly oriented images so you can view landscapes, birds, and more during the day. A built-on finder scope helps you aim at objects, while a simple alt-azimuth mount makes it easy to center your subject. Get ready for unexpected discoveries with the PowerSeeker Tabletop Telescope.